Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to add name in MailerLite. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. Log into MailerLite at MailerLite.com. Click on your profile picture or name in the top right corner of the dashboard to open the account settings. Select Profile or Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Find the field where you can enter or update your name. Type in your new name, then click Save or Update to apply the changes. Your name is now updated in MailerLite. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching our videos. We appreciate your support.